Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll get to know how the ChatGPT will work. So let's create a simple calculator using ChatGPT. So let's go to the browser. So just type the ChatGPT. So it's a open AI. Okay. So I have registered to this. That's why I got this page. If you are new to this ChatGPT, you have to register. Then you will get this ChatGPT page. So here we will write that create. We will ask create simple JavaScript calculator. How it will generate the code, we'll see. So actually, when we are working with ChatGPT, what will happen is, so we will get the code definitely, but sometimes that code will work for our features, our application, but sometimes it won't work. So when you are using the code from this ChatGPT, you can directly paste there in your application. But the problem is when you got any bug or any issue, when you are debugging that, you need to take too much time to debug all these things. Sometimes it will happen likewise. So that is the thing here. And one more thing is, if we are asking any question here, we will get the different kind of answers each time. That's not good. We'll see how it will generate here. Every time it will give a different answer. I mean, different answer means this different code with same application. It is generating now code. We'll see. It's HTML, complete HTML code in this. It already wrote some JavaScript code also. We'll see. Hmm. Okay, it is telling something like the calculator takes two numbers and an operator and performs the corresponding operation. The result is then displayed in a read-only input field. Okay, let's copy this code. I copied. So let's go to our workspace. So this is, I have created a file for this calculator. So let's go to the VS Code. So there you have to create one HTML file. So I am creating index.html. Okay, there I can paste all the code. So I pasted. So now let's run this code. I have a live server, so I'm running using that. So first number, okay, I'm giving two. Okay, here we have some options. Okay, I'm giving plus. Second number also I'm giving two. Then calculate. Yeah, it is working. So we got this kind of code from the ChatGPT. I hope you understood how to use this ChatGPT. So if you ask again, you will get to other kind of code. I will show you that also. Create a simple JavaScript. I mean, application is same, but the code will be different. We have to wait for some time to generate this code. It is generating. So here it is generating HTML file and same thing it is writing. I think same code it is giving now. Yeah, it is giving same code. Yeah, right now it is giving the same code, but if you are trying again and again, it will give the different code for the same application. I hope you understood about this ChatGPT, how to create this simple calculator using ChatGPT. Thank you.